In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of FS KKR Capital Corp, a business development company focused on private credit and related assets. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FSK, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, so I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FSK to find a company listing. Select the result that matches FS KKR Capital Corp to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart for FSK. Confirm the issuer name and NASDAQ listing to make sure this is the right asset before proceeding. To invest, tap Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.